and everyone, welcome back to English with Tanveer. Today's topic is weather. Please listen carefully. Advance 3.
I hope all you listeners out there have enjoyed this morning's musical selection. Mozart before the piano lessons. Now it's time to bring you our weather update with Bob Sunshine.
Thanks, Debbie. This weekend, temperatures will go down slightly and there will be a drop in humidity. Perfect for those of you who were planning a back-to-nature weekend.
And I have just the place for an overnight trip with or without the kids. I've just been to Mount Pleasant Trail. It's got plenty of fresh air, clear streams for swimming or fishing, and magnificent waterfalls. It is considered to be one of the most beautiful places in our area.
That sounds like fun. Perhaps I'll go there myself. Maybe I'll go deer hunting.
There is no hunting, Bob. Mount Pleasant is a nature reserve. There are deer and even bears, but they are protected. Anyway, if you decide to go, I would recommend that you take along mosquito repellent and watch out for bees and poisonous snakes and plants.
What should I do if I lose my way?
The trails are clearly marked. You won't get lost. And have a good trip, Bob.
Thanks, Debbie.
So, whether you decide to pitch a tent this weekend or just sit back and watch the flowers bloom in your own backyard, enjoy the beautiful weather.
Advance 3 weather practice. Listening radio weather test. Advance 3. What is the weather going to be ideal for a day at beach, staying indoors, a camping trip, planting flowers? What is correct sentence? A camping trip. Answer is correct. Children are not allowed at Mountain Pleasant. False, true. False. Debbie tells Bob that the trails are clearly marked because he doesn't have good direction. There are many snakes on the paths. He thinks he may lose something. He is afraid of getting lost. He is afraid of getting lost. Answer is correct.
Lost.
Which of the following can you not do at Mount Pleasant Trail? What is correct sentence? Hike, fish, hunt, swimming. Hunt. Answer is correct. The end. Subscribe my channel for more latest video. Goodbye.